Dear traders, in this video I'm going to share with you the #1 tip for scalping in TradingView indicator. This is the top-notch indicator that I'm going to share with you. Here, this is the combination of 3 indicators that will be useful when you will be using it for your scalping strategy. Okay, before going towards the details, I want to tell you that this strategy can not only be used for the Forex but also for crypto and stock market. And before going towards the details of this video, I want to tell you that which broker I'm using for my trading. This is XNES, as you can see on the screen. If you want to open your account with XNES, it will provide you with 2 options of standard accounts. They are standard and standard cents, and there are 3 options of professional accounts. They are raw spread, zero, and pro accounts. So if you're interested to open your account with XNES, because they are very trustworthy for their deposit and withdrawal methods, plus they give you maximum profits for your each trade by taking very less commission or no commission at all. So if you are interested to open your account with XNES, that I will recommend you to. So you can get the link in the description of my video. Let's move towards the strategy. Here I have opened gold chart with 5 minutes time frame. You can open your time frame from 1 minute to 30 minutes, but I will be using this 5 minutes time frame for gold chart. And the indicators that we are going to use here, the first indicator is the fluid trades SMC lights, fluid trades SMC lights. This is by PMG JIV. 1996 traders are using this indicator. The second indicator that we are going to use here is the money flow index plus alerts by Dreams Define. 4789 traders are using this indicator. And the last indicator that we are using here is the Q trend indicator. Q trend indicator, this is by Trezanco, and 402 traders are using this indicator. So we have to simply click on this indicator and cross from here. Now all of the indicators are applied here, and you can see that we have got some of the signals which are with buy and strong, and some signals are with sell and strong again. Okay, and one more thing, I think we have to add this money flow index again. Okay, here in this chart. Okay, I want to tell you that how to use it for your buy and sell signals. But before doing this, I want to tell you that how we can go into the settings of this indicator for changing few of the adjustments. First of all, in the Q trend indicator, click on the settings. In the style tab, we have to uncheck trend line. We have to uncheck buy signal and the sell signal, as we are going to use only the strong buy and the strong sell signals in this chart. Okay, and the other thing that we are using here is this indicator, the money flow index indicator, and from here we are going to use the plot by making it white color to make it more visible. We will change its thickness as well, and now it's prominent. Okay, one more thing that I want to show you here, that here we have 2 levels. It will be working like support and resistance level. The blue color lines are showing that these are the support levels, but gray color lines are showing that this is the resistance level. Somewhere in the market trend, these lines were used as support level, and the gray lines which are shown here in the lower level, they were used as the resistance level. But as our market has gone above this market trend, so our resistance level was used as the support level, and the new support resistance level was formed by this indicator. As you can see here, this one level is the newest or the latest, you can say, the resistance level, and now this blue color line is working, or this gray color line is working as the support level. Okay, one more thing that I want to tell you, that how we can see that whether to enter into the trade for the buy or the long signal, or how to enter into the market for the sell or the short signal. I will be telling you that. For example, here we have strong signal that we have got by the fluid trades SMC indicator. Then we have to check that whether our market has gone above this zero level or not. Usually it is set on the 50 levels in the center, and we have to see that if our line, this money flow index, this is showing above 50 level, then we have to take the entry into the market for the buy signal. And if it comes down of the 50 level, then we have to take the entry into the market for the sell signal. But first we have to wait for the strong signal that is given by the indicator, and then we have to enter into the market for the sell signal. I hope you understand the strategy, but we have to go into any other pair of chart for making it more clear. As you can see, we are now in the Euro USD, and here it is also showing us the support and resistance levels. But here, as you can see, this was acting, this level, gray color line was acting as a support level, and this line was made for the resistance level then, and afterwards it has crossed this level, so it came down, so a new resistance level was formed. So this was the support level again, and it was acting as our resistance level. Now it has crossed even this line, even this level, so we will be using, or we are expecting that our this one level will be acting as a support level next, and this will be acting as a resistance level. I hope you understand the strategy well, but we have to use this strategy only when we will get the signal by our indicator, because these are the strong signals which are shown by our you can see fluid trades SMC light indicator, and here which money flow index plus alerts are given, giving us the signals to enter into the market, that we have to see by looking towards the 50 level line. Either it is above 50 or down or below 50. If it is above 50, it means we have to enter into the market for the buy signal, and if it is below 50 level, then we have to enter into the market for the sell signal. So this is all about the strategy. I hope you like the strategy and will be using this strategy for your own trading. Do use it for your own trading, and do not forget to like and subscribe this video. Thank you for watching this video.